look behind the scenes at the creation of one of the most breathtaking machines in recent years, the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. It all begins in Turin at the historic workshop of Carrozzeria Touring Superleggera, crafting cars since 1926. Here tradition meets precision. Each model is built through 8 dedicated stations, from raw frame to final inspection, blending cutting-edge methods with hand-finished detail. The process starts with the body in white, a pre-assembled carbon structure. Front and rear frames are added to form a rigid, ultra-safe H layout. The roof, made from carbon fiber and reinforced with aluminum, goes on first, setting the reference point for all other panels. Doors, bonnets, and side panels are pre-fitted using millimeter-precise templates. Master craftsmen then fine-tune every line and gap by hand. Once the body is complete, the car moves to aires for paint, applied entirely by hand in 3 stages for a flawless finish. After that, mirrors, glass, intakes, gaskets, and lights are fitted. Inside, the modular interior is assembled and installed with equal care. Then comes the final station, quality control. Touring and Alfa Romeo technicians inspect every detail, ensuring the car meets the highest standards. Only when everything is perfect is the 33 Stradale ready for delivery. This isn't mass production, it's pure automotive artistry.